Today we're going to be making hot Italian sausages. Now, I like these sausages because they're one step above the mild Italian. They have a little extra flavor and a little bit more heat to it, which makes it really good. Now, keep watching till the end because I'm making a really fantastic dish involving these sausages that I know you're going to love. I wanted to take a little time and talk about why I like making sausages. The number one reason is I can choose my own meat. A lot of meat out there has antibiotics and hormones. The sausages that you can buy has preservatives and fillers, and who knows what other wonderful stuff they put in them. I know what goes in my sausages. Do you know what goes in your sausage? Do you know what you're eating? So what do you say we go make some delicious homemade natural sausage? Let's get to it. For this recipe, we're going to be using 5 pounds of pork meat. We're going to use 2.5 pounds pork butt, 2.5 pounds pork shoulder. We're going to trim it. We're going to remove any kind of skin, cut it into cubes, get it ready for the grinder, and then use a 3/16 grinding plate for our grind. It's also very important to remember that during every single process, we keep that meat as cold as possible. So once we're done trimming it, put it in the fridge or freezer for a little bit. Once we're done grinding it, put it in the fridge. Keep that meat as cold as possible. Once you're done mixing it, put it back in the fridge. Keep it cold before you start stuffing. After sampling our hot Italian sausage batch, something didn't seem right with me. It wasn't spicy enough, it didn't have that extra flavor, so I ended up going back and adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. This seemed to have helped the flavor a lot more. This is why it's important to go and test your batches before you start stuffing. Alright, it's time to start stuffing our sausages. What I'm using today is a 15-pound vertical sausage stuffer. I'm also using 32-36 hog casings, and it's also actually important to remember not to overstuff your sausages. If this does happen, it's going to make it harder for you to twist your links, and you're going to have to deal with casings popping. Okay, it's time to start packaging our sausages. What I like to do is I like to flash freeze them. I like to put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes, basically just to give it a solid form. So when you're vacuum sealing it, it doesn't crush the sausages, and it's gonna make it a little easier to pack. Okay, we're gonna cook these vegetables down for about 30 minutes or so. If you want some extra heat, add some jalapeno peppers or some Thai chili peppers, some salt and pepper to taste, anything you like, and serve it over some basmati rice. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I don't want you to miss any of the new content that's coming out. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it.